Hey, I'm Rachel and Ngom from She's Making an Impact.com, and something that I hear a lot, and I really want you to challenge you if this is something that you're saying is, I can't afford it. And this is actually a really cool quote from Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad. And he says, don't say, I can't afford it. Ask yourself, how can I afford it? Challenge yourself by asking this question instead of acquiescing and saying that you can't. That's a big word, acquiescing. You'll be better for it. You'll seek out and find solutions where you thought none existed before. So basically, instead of saying, I can't afford it, I can't afford it, I can't afford it, just switch it around. Ask, how can I afford it? How could I add more value to my audience today? How could I create a last minute offer? How could I sell something in my house to maybe get some instant cash to inject back into my business? One of my students in the Impact Blogging Academy, Katie Farrow, she actually has a free training on how to find the money to reinvest back into your business. So I definitely recommend checking it out. I think her website's orderlyaccounting.com. Check out her free training. She's a rock star and she's really going to help you find the money. So that's it. Just reframe it in your head. Instead of saying, I can't afford it, ask, how can I afford it? And I swear your life will change, your business will change, and you'll be able to create a bigger impact on the world through your business. So I'll talk to you later.